10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Command is start. 2, 1, 0. 5,000 feet.
Crew capsule passing 11,000 feet.
All right, New Shepard has cleared the tower. Take a look on your screen. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll be able to follow along with our telemetry, giving you altitude and speed. And then on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see how far we are into NS-38's flight.
Mach 1 vehicle is supersonic. Engine back to full throttle. Chamber pressures look good.
Wow! Supersonic!
You are hearing our astronauts from inside the vehicle.
Astronauts experiencing max ascent Gs. Begin throttle down, stand by MECO. MECO confirmed.
MECO is main engine cutoff.
Stand by separation. Stand by. Separation confirmed. Start your GoPros. Start your GoPros.
You'll notice the telemetry graphics have split.
Capsule body rates look good.
One for the booster, one for the capsule to follow their respective journeys.
Wow! Oh, yeah. Wow!
3 minutes, 10 seconds into flight.
Oh, oh, God. Wow! Wow!
Capsule has passed the Kármán line.
It's really round. It is flat. It's not flat. No. I can see the moon.
Capsule apogee at 350,000 feet. Four minutes, 25 seconds into flight.
Despite the clouds, we've got a nice long-range shot of the capsule and the booster.
1 minute warning.
That
Capsule
1
body
minute
rates
warning
look good.
is for our astronauts, knowing that they have 1 minute before they need to get back and buckled into their seats to return to Earth.
Booster descending past 300,000 feet.
The booster will land about 2 miles north
returning to seats
of where liftoff was.
Booster descent nominal.
The booster, of course, returning first because of the aerodynamic shape. And to give our astronauts just a little more time to enjoy.
Booster forward fins deployed. Capsule has reached atmospheric pierce point.
You were taking a look from a camera on our booster, pointed back down towards West Texas.
Astronauts experiencing max G.
Just over 6 minutes into NS-38. New Shepard's 38th launch.
Booster drag brakes deployed.
Nice infrared shot there.
Approaching engine restart. Engine restart. Landing legs deployed.
And she's
Booster
back.
touchdown. Welcome home, New Shepard booster.
Welcome home, Tail 4.
Big shout out to our friends in Kent, Texas, Huntsville, and of course Florida, who are all watching.
Starting booster auto-saving.
A little bit of a cloudy day out in West Texas as the cold front is moving in, but a beautiful shot of Tail 4 coming back into land. Again, 2 miles north from the launch pad. We're about 8 minutes into NS-38, New Shepard's 38th flight.
Stand by, capsule drogue.
Wow! Look at the Earth.
Gosh.
Unbelievable. It's black out there.
Look at that. Oh my God.
Holy cow, there's the ground.
Wow! Look at this. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh my gosh.
It's too fast.
Yes.
We are looking to require a picture, there it is, of the capsule.
Capsule drogue deployment. Stand by mains. Capsule mains deployed.
There you have it, 3 beautiful main chutes.
Capsule mains inflated.
I know those shots out in space are incredible to see with your own eyes, but
Capsule
I tell
body
you,
rates look good.
looking out the windows over West Texas ain't bad either.
Cruise control, we're getting a thumbs down from Melbourne.
Capsule landing zone is within expected range limits.
Blue Control copies.
Just under 1,000 feet to land.
Capsule descending past 1,000 feet. TDS enabled.
Stand by
Approaching
touchdown.
retro thrust fire.
Stand by touchdown.
Capsule touchdown. Welcome home, NS-38.
Welcome home above and beyond. A great touchdown there. The retro thrust system doing exactly what it's meant to do, puffing up that West Texas dust and slowing down the capsule to about a mile or two before landing. An incredible day to fly. Right now, the team is actually heading out in a convoy to, of course, greet our astronauts at the landing site, and that's when they're going to begin to safe the capsule and get ready to open the hatch. After that, we're looking forward to hearing directly from our astronauts about their experience. Now, Matt, for our viewers who might be tuning in for the first time, can you explain what it means to safe the capsule?
Yeah, there's actually, again, New Shepard, an autonomous vehicle. So there's actually autonomy built into the capsule. We call it auto-safing, that once the capsule lands, we make sure that pressures are vented, we make sure that ordnance is safed, that essentially it's in an acceptable configuration for our recovery crew to get out there. They'll get the capsule grounded in case we built up any static charge on the way to space, and then that way we can proceed with the rest of the recovery operations and give the astronauts chance to have that special moment of coming out of the capsule.
Yeah, and get to, embrace their friends, their families, their loved ones, our CM7s, lots of hugs all around there. Let's also take a moment and talk about, something that you can give a lot of insight on while we wait for crew egress, and that is how New Shepard is foundational to kind of everything we do here at Blue.
Yeah, I talked a little bit earlier about why I love working on New Shepard and it being a human spaceflight program. And I think fundamentally Blue is a human spaceflight company, right? And New Shepard is really that first step. Now we're pursuing putting people on the moon, right? So it's amazing to see putting people in the desert in West Texas. That is the next step for Blue. So there's really that key foundation relative to our lunar programs and being a human spaceflight company. And we have people that helped design the inside of the capsule, working on designs for the inside of our lunar landers and taking all that experience and knowledge across. We talked earlier about reusability, just foundational to what we do here at Blue, about bringing down the cost of space and putting reusability into our launch vehicle systems. And so that whole idea of the second New Shepard booster landed, the second New Glenn booster landed. And for those that watch closely, those landing maneuvers looked pretty similar between the NS2 and NG2. And there's a couple of key folks, be it Brian or Mark, those types of people that actually helped develop those landing algorithms and took that knowledge and experience over to New Glenn to help develop those landing algorithms for bringing vehicles back. Our thermal protection system that we have on the base heat shield for the propulsion module, that is actually the same thermal protection system that's used on New Glenn. And we got experience with that thermal protection system, how it works and how it changes over time on New Shepard before we got to flying New Glenn. And now you see it in much larger acreage on New Glenn. And so there's really that learning for us to be able to take technologies on New Shepard and pass those things along. We bring a booster back to Earth, and so you get that great view coming down. Landing sensor technology, right? Same thing for that ability to take those things over to our lunar landing programs and be able to use a lot of those same algorithms for detecting the landscape to support how you land the vehicles. All those types of things are pieces we've taken from New Shepard that make the future of Blue more of a reality.
And we've got our lander on the way to Texas right now, our lunar lander on the way. So something to be looking forward to there. If you take a look on your screens, you're going to notice we've got those Rivians going out to meet our crew to safe the capsule. But while we wait for capsule egress,
Let's just take a moment and talk about the impact of this experience. So we've talked about how a flight on New Shepard doesn't just take you to space, it changes the trajectory of your life.
And to show you what that looks like, let's hear directly from astronaut Katya Echazarreta as she shares, how her New Shepard...
Hey, we're back! Nice job, above and beyond. Can I get you anything in here before you come out? You good? Okay. Okay, we can bring a towel or some nausea medicine or anything in if you'd like. That was the thing. It was above and beyond. All right, we good?
Yep, we good though.
Okay, I'll slowly get out.
Just if you feel anything, just let me know. I can bring stuff in here for you. All right?
Yeah. Wait till the end, or you can burp a little bit. That'll help get some of it. All right. Yep. Let's get it started.
It's a pleasure flying with you. Oh,
okay.
see you. Wow.
Woo, Jim! All right, Tim. Wow! Amazing.
That will be good. I just don't want to bend over it.
Okay. Yeah, you look good.
I feel green, but okay.
Hey, give your pose. I'm going to take your GoPro off and do that one more time.
I think it didn't work, or I hit it or something, but I was so loopy I couldn't have pictured anything, so it's okay.
Hey! He's still there. Nice job. Come on. Beautiful. Thank you.
Wow! 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 Where's Jack? Yeah. Oh.
Incredible. That's great, Laura, right here, right?
Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's incredible.
Everything you dreamed of, huh?
Yeah. I mean, it's hard to